So after this before this breakout point, let's use another tag called em. So what will be the result of em? Let's type em and see what is the result of em. Save. Because of this extension we used live server and we used the port 5500 as the live, and we can get these results as soon as we press Ctrl S, as soon as we save the results. So you can see em also gives the same result as Italy. So for bolding process you can use strong keyword or a B tag. If you want to get Italy, you can use a I tag or a EM tag. So it is simple as that. Now let's see how could we get a word highlighted. You know, when using a pen and a book, we write something in our note and we use a highlighter to highlight the special words. So how can we highlight a special word? There's a tag as mark. Tag as mark. Inside mark tag I'll type mark. I'll type this is mark tag to get to see the result clearly, and let's save and see. You can see this is mark tag. It is highlighted. So if you want to highlight some word or a paragraph or a sentence in a P tag, you can use this mark tag. Let's use another BR tag and get a breakout point. After that, we will use some more tags inside this P tag. Now let's surf into C a tag called. Now let's clear these things and let's move with our tags. If you want to get a clear idea, let's get strong. Let's clear this one and let's make this format somewhat easy to understand. Then use a breakout and mark. Right. After this break, we'll type some tag as small. Let's see what is the result of small. Let's type small here. The included word, this could be anyone. This no need to be a small. You the only thing you need is this tag and the closing tag as small. You can type anything here, anything here. Let's type something here to identify the difference of small tag, and let's save one and let's see what is here. You can see the things written in the P tag are bigger than this anything here word. See, you can see it. I'll zoom it. You can see the small keyword refers to write your words, write your letters smaller. It is smaller than other things. So I'll write here small to identify it easily. Let's save and see. You can see the small word is smaller than other words. After that, we'll go with another breakout tag and let's see another keyword or a tag as delete. Type delete and see what is the result. You can see the delete tag refers to a deleted word. You can see a line which used to delete a word. I think you are getting these things easily. After that, delete. Let's see some more tags we can use in. Let's use a break tag to get into our next line, and let's use another tag called code. If you use a code tag, you can get something the display as a code. You know, normally the words are displayed as this. They are curl and nice, but in a coding interface it is somewhat different. So this is code. Let's see the difference, and you can see there's a clear difference between this is code and the rest. Now let's see another tag. Let's use ins, actually the insert tag, and type insert here, and let's see the difference. What is the difference? You can see a line is there under the word. There's an underline word. To get insert word, you must use ins tag. Let's move into our next line, and after that we'll use, actually we can use another tag to get the underline word. It is underline, actually you underline and save. You can see insert, we used ins tag. For underline we use u tag. For underline we used u tag. For insert we use ins tag. So after going to a next line, let's type let's try to get another keyword. Let's use how to get a sub and a superscript. Subscript and a superscript. Let's type subscript here. To get the understanding clearly, we'll write something like CO sorry for the CO sub to, and let's see the result. You can see CO is written normally and 2 is written as a subscript. So subscript, to get a words or a letter or a paragraph to subscript level, we must use the sub tag. So I clear this one and leave subscript at this. If you want to get a superscript, you can see, because I have already installed the tab 9 extension, the codes are auto generating. This is a AI tool, so they are auto generating the codes according to try to get to our intention. So let's see how the superscript works. You can see the superscript used as this. Let's use an example for superscript as x x superscript 2. Let's see the result. You can see x squared is here. Now let's clear these things, and now let's move into some more tags. Also, if you want to get a non-breakable space. So guys, now let's see some customizations in our heading section. In this top section, the head section, so we can use a name as web development course and save it. You can see the name has changed to web development course. And also you can use a customized image for this one. I don't know why it is pop-upping image. This is an image I have used for one of my previous developments. Now let's take a new image and try to get it. We can use a link tag, and we can use this one as icon or shortcut icon is also okay. Shortcut icon, I'll use shortcut icon, and href is the link of the image that you are going to used in this position. So I'll download an image and we'll do use a type, and we can use a type as image /x icon. Okay, and now let's download the image. Let's go to images and let's get this image and let's save it to our same directory. I used my YouTube here, so I'll rename it as icon, and the file type is AVFI. No, I'll choose something like this one, and we'll download this one, AVFI type. I'll download the image of PNG type. And I will get this image. It's a PNG image, and save image as PNG, and I will type it as icon1. Save for the directory of the same directory which I have my code, my YouTube. Let's save it, and you can see the icon is here, and let's get this icon in this position. Let's type icon1.png. let's save. Let's see the result. You can see the result here. I can't zoom that position, but you can see the photo we have downloaded, this one, is now in this position. So that's how you can use the head part of the code, and also you can use many customizations